Well, hello and welcome back to another lesson. In this one we're going to be looking at some Foo Fighters, and it's an absolute banger. It's called Breakout, starts with a bit of flanger and then goes into a bit of distortion. Who doesn't love that? Let's crack on and have a look, shall we? Quick run through the tones that I'm using. I'm using the Walrus Audio polychrome flanger. Just lush, really lush analog flanger. And the dirt is coming from Jam Pedal's Rattler. So the intro riff goes like this. I'll leave the flanger on as well because it sounds delightful. That is it, right? So you're going to play 4 chords, as you've seen, 2 shapes. So the first shape's like a major shape, but you're only playing the low 4, right? So the B and the E string are open, which is always lovely. And the rhythm that you're going to do for the whole of this thing is down, down, up, up, down, up. All right, and I've tabbed like the full chords, but you're gonna, you're gonna strum and pick out top bits and bottom bits. All right, rather than robotically doing all 6 strings. But it's just a lot easier to visualize that way. So let me turn this off just for 1 second. Then you play an E power chord, but you don't play the low E. Leave that out. So your first note is the 7th fret on the A. And that's just 7, 9, 9, and then the 2 open strings. 9th fret, and then you're going to play the same shape we played in the first phrase. Sounds a bit dissonant, but that's cool because it's then going to resolve by moving it down 1 fret. Okay, so you've got... Now, second guitar comes over the top, and I've got my distortion on for the full beans, but if you roll back the volume, you can do that right to get that effect. And then the last time it'll play. You get that stab, right? So if you're playing clean, that's where the stab comes on the first beat of the 4th measure. Then you crank the distortion and you are into the main tune. And this riff's wicked. It's really straightforward though. It's almost split into 2 parts. But for with like 1 variation, the rhythm's exactly the same in each bar. So you're going to play down, up, down, up, down, down. That's it throughout, right? The only variation is when you go in the 4th bar. The variation's just that. Just the 2nd fret there on the E string. So, you're going to play B, G, B to E. Then you're going to play this, which is G, A, E minor 7. A, G, A, E minor 7, right? So you're going to play this. Like that, right? So what's happening there is just these 2 fingers are going to move, but your 3rd and your 4th fingers stay planted on the 3rd fret on the B and E. So you're going to play change, then to the E minor, change, and then you play that same thing again. So let's play it all the way around, a little bit slower. That is 1 time round of that whole bit, right? And then you just repeat it around. Then you've got a little interlude part where one guitar's playing B for 2 bars, to the E minor 7 again for 2 bars. But there's an overdub over the top, and I've changed the pedal slightly. I've just upped the gain a bit because you get this. Basically that. I think he's playing that. So that is just a bar of... You notice that the tone of the guitar changes is slightly chewy. It almost edges into sort of fuzz, really. Then you're going to play the 4th fret in the open G. And just leave that G string ringing out if you can. Okay, so that's slowly, the second bar. Alright, should be straightforward enough. Then right before the breakdown, I think you get this little variation, which is just this. Just that, right? Which is just a load of G with a 2A right at the end of the second bar. Then you go to this. Brilliant. Same chords that you're playing in the intro with that rhythm. It's straightforward enough. And the build-up continues with this. And then you're back into the chorus. So that is just the same chords you played before, but with 2 palm mutes, full chord, 2 palm mutes, full chord. But it just rings out for like a beat and a half. So then change. This time you do play the open E, right? It's the only difference. Then to the 9th fret, 8th fret, and then you do the same stab at the end of the second time round. Then round that chorus again. Coming out of the chorus there's a little extra section which plays just tags that on at the end, right? Then you've got this little lead fill, and I'm using the same pedal. I've just turned the tone up and the gain a touch to get, so it sounds like that, right? Just double stops on the B and E on the 7th fret. Cool little fill. And then you've got this. Just awesome. So you're going to play B, A, then you go up to the 4th fret, but you do play the low E string, right? The 4th fret on the E string. So you're going to go 4, 4, 6, 6 there. And the same on the 7th fret with up, down, down, down. Love that tone, man. And then the lead guitar over the top plays. I think it's that anyway. Sounds like that's what he's playing. And I'm doing it 9, 11, 12, and then the open E. Down 2 frets. Up to the 11th fret. And then I'm just playing 9, 12, 12. You could go right up here if you want to just stay with that shape. Or you could do 7, 9, 9 to 9, 12, 12. And then the ending just goes So that's it from me. Hope you enjoyed that one. It's a banging tune and I encourage you to learn it. See you all soon. Cheers, bye bye.